This is the bitter truth no one will ever tell you. Every single day, men are pushed to buy so-called manhood packages. You see adverts, you hear stories, and someone always tries to fool you, saying that one special pill, one magic powder, or one cup of coffee will instantly restore all your strength. But let me ask you this. If erectile weakness is not even a disease, then do you really need medicine? Think carefully. You swallow pills, you spend money, but what exactly are you curing? Here's the reality. Most of these sellers are not offering solutions. They are selling your fear. They are taking your money. They are destroying your faith in your own body. The truth is, the biggest problem for men is not weak performance or a weak manhood. The real problem is fear, the fear of failing in bed. And once fear controls you, it makes you a slave to pills, a slave to boosters, a slave to promises that never last. But here's what you must remember. Your true strength is already inside you. It's not in the store, it's not in some package, and it's not in the pills. And today, I'm going to show you something different. Not a product to buy, not a lie to believe, but a 100% natural recipe. A recipe that supports stamina, boosts confidence, restores energy, and helps you feel like yourself again. And the best part, it comes straight from your own kitchen. So learn in, watch carefully, and don't skip. Because this recipe may surprise you. Let's dive into preparation steps. Step 1. Blend banana peel. We start with the most surprising ingredient of all, the banana peel. Most people throw it away, but inside the peel are powerful nutrients that support blood flow, hormones, and energy. Blend it until it becomes smooth. This forms the base of our natural power drink. Step 2. Add instant coffee. Next, we add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. Coffee doesn't just wake you up. It stimulates circulation, sharpens focus, and gives your body a quick boost of stamina. Right here, we're charging your system with energy. Step 3. Add flax seeds. Now, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Tiny but mighty, flax seeds are loaded with omega-3s and lignans that help balance testosterone, protect your heart, and keep blood flowing strong. They may look small, but they play a huge role in your vitality. Step 4. Sweeten with honey. Next comes the sweetness of nature, 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Honey has been used for centuries as a natural aphrodisiac. It boosts energy, supports hormones, and keeps your stamina alive. This isn't just sweetness, it's fuel for confidence. Step 5. Squeeze lemon juice. Cut a fresh lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the mix. The vitamin C in lemon strengthens blood vessels, boosts circulation, and even improves your mood. It's the spark that ties everything together, clean, fresh, and powerful. Step 6. Mix and finish. Now stir everything together slowly, watching the ingredients blend into one smooth mixture. Finally, pour in warm water. Not too hot, not too cold, just warm enough to release all the nutrients into a drink your body will thank you for. And there it is, your natural energy booster, created in minutes, right in your kitchen. This recipe is simple, natural, and powerful. Banana peel strengthens stamina. Coffee boosts circulation and energy. Flax seeds balance testosterone and support your heart. Honey fuels endurance and supports hormones. Lemon refreshes your system and boosts immunity. Together, they create a natural powerhouse, a drink that helps you feel stronger, more confident, and more energized no matter your age. So don't wait. Try this recipe today. Drink it regularly, and you may notice real changes. Better circulation, more energy, improved mood, and stronger performance. Remember this, your strength has always been inside you. This recipe simply unlocks it. Cheers to your health, your energy, and your confidence. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and to share.